has Israel managed to maintain the memories?
In the first period, survivors didn't want to talk about their past. It was kept inside themselves. My father, for example, never spoke about it ever. First time that I saw something about his story was in writing, 8 pages that he wrote, and it was after he died. Then there was a beginning of open reflection, let's say, sharing stories. Survivors should speak, but you need to record them and you need to archive it.
How did Israel deal with Holocaust denial?
If you deny or you downgrade the numbers or the actions, you get 5 years in prison.
Are there lessons you think Israel can learn from Rwanda?
So, yeah, I think Israel should learn to use homegrown solutions.